November 4 Whiskey Lima, I need to know where you're going so you don't hit the aircraft that I do have coming in. I need you to turn south before you get hit by somebody. November 4 Whiskey Lima, turn south immediately. Reliant 379, I need that turn. I need the turn. Make a right 360. Reliant 379, make a right 360. Reliant 379, I'm not kidding. Make a right 360.
Amber Tower, Skyline 355 to Lima, inbound from Eggers, 3 miles from Nurse.
52 Lima, call me Nurse.
Call Nurse, 5 to Lima.
Cherry Tower, November 234 Whiskey Lima.
234 Whiskey Lima, Denver Tower.
The west, just requesting for proceeding bound to 08, and then we're going to break off for Underwood Lake.
Okay, your VFR, are you doing a practice approach of some sort, what? Stand by, sir. November 234 Whiskey Lima, Denver Tower, I want you to fly 2 miles from your present position due south, and then give me a right turn. Again, fly 2 miles south, give me a right turn, and then establish yourself on final for runway 8.
Tower line 527 midfield, left down runway 8.
Blue line 527, your number 2, traffic is on at 4.5, 5 mile final.
Alright, look out for the traffic, line 527.
Blue 52 Lima, I know you're on approach, but I'd really appreciate if you could pick up the pace.
52 Lima, we'll pick up.
I'm getting rather busy and I got a jet coming in right behind you. Blue line 527, sets the traffic on a 4 mile final, due south of you, 2,100 feet on final.
Inside, line 527.
Blue 52 Lima, clear to land, runway 8. Blue 52 Lima, runway 8, clear to land. Reliant 527, your number 2, clear to land, runway 8.
Line 527.
November 4 Whiskey Lima, I have not given you any clearance yet.
Danbury Tower, Dakota 8287 Yankee, holding short runway 8 at Alpha, ready to depart whenever you got a moment.
Dakota 87 Yankee, no delay, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, no delay, 87 Yankee, thanks, Alpha.
Yeah, that's going to be a while, I told you. It's going to be a while, sir.
Amber Tower, 52 Lima, please confirm I'm clear to land.
November 52 Lima, you're clear to land.
Clear to land, 52 Lima.
November 4 Whiskey Lima, I'm going to have to ask you to make another 360. Your right turn, your right to the other right 360. You're breaking it off where and what? I need to know which way you're going. I have traffic for you. November 4 Whiskey Lima, I need to know which way you're going. I have traffic. I know, but I have traffic out there. Where are you going? November 4 Whiskey Lima, I need to know where you're going so you don't hit the aircraft that I do have coming in. I can't do that. I need you to go immediately south. I need you to turn south before you get hit by somebody. November 4 Whiskey Lima, turn south immediately. November 379, I got an aircraft that I can't control. I need you to make an immediate left turn, do a left 360. They're right in front of you. I need you to turn, sir. November 4 Whiskey Lima, I appreciate your help. I'm very busy. I really didn't need this. November 4 Whiskey Lima, I don't care. I have a lot of aircraft I have to deal with, and you're making my job infinitely harder. November, Reliant 379, I need that turn, please. Reliant 379, I need that turn. I need the turn. Make a right 360. Reliant 379, make a right 360. Reliant 379, I'm not kidding. Make a right 360.
Reliant 379.
Those 55 Hotel, start immediate left turn up for final.
55 Hotel, making a... Is that for 455 Hotel? We're not on final.
Start an immediate left turn for final.
Roger. Immediate left turn for final.
November 51 Hotel, start immediate right turn for base. The light 379, I'm not kidding, I need a right 360 now.
I am in the middle of a right.
Faster, turn faster. November 4 Whiskey Hotel, get off my frequency now. Get away. Okay, November 4 Whiskey Lima, by any chance, are you still with me?
55 Hotel, are we clear to land?
55 Hotel, clear to 55 Hotel, clear to land.
55 Hotel, clear to land.
Reliance 209 traffic is now inside of mile final. You're clear to land.
Runway 8, clear to land, Reliance 379.